What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another day riding in Australia. It's a wet and cold Saturday morning, and we're doing some hills or mountains, I don't know. But we're doing some climbs today. We're going up, I think, the Macedon Ranges. So yeah, it's another fun day. This time it's wet and cold, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let's go. Kalma lang, kalma. Sabi, palit lang.
I like this town.
Dito ko palagi.
Oo. Yung favorite ko eh. Yung town niya, sleepy town, pero out to my city, hindi na malayo. It's a very nice town.
Ano yung lugar ko?
Ako was born last time, pati ko kasi. Just tinag na konti.
Okay. Sana malinaw, basahin lens.
Louie talaga ako, comedy.
Bilis mo, pre, ah.
Gusto mo Louie ah?
Iwan lahat, ah.
Oo, pumapatol pa naman yung si Lores. Tingnan mo, manda ka mamaya.
Manda ka kaya.
Oo, alam mo ha. Alam mo yan.
Nagulat ako, nasa likod na natin, eh.
Hindi, ano lang kami, warm up.
Strategist. Medyo masakit, pre. Ha? Medyo masakit. Parang siya, wala lang to eh. Kaya nga eh.
Let's go. Start the climb now. So we're at I don't know. We're about to go to the proper climb. Ahon na to?
Hindi. Yung ano, gauge.
Ayun yung start ng climb. Gano'ng kahaba yung climb?
7.
7K?
Okay. Mga 4.8. 4.8.
Haba.
Average.
Ayos. Okay. Hintayin nyo na lang ako sa taas. Okay, so the climb is gonna be 7K with an average of around 4%. I'll see you guys. I'll see them guys at the top. Just told them to wait for me. All right. Ito na. Ito na yung start ng climb. 7K?
7 yung stop. 7
Ah, ganun.
tapos 3 na pa.
7 tapos 3 pa?
May rest sa salta.
My God. Di pa pala yung 7. Meron pa pala after nun. Ito na yung ahon. Let's go. Yan na, tayo na.
Sama kita.
Tayo pala dito eh. Dito, at least dito, tuyo. Matutuyo na kami. Yan na, may araw na. Ganda dito.
Yeah, kaya this is where I wanna take you eh.
Ganda, ganda.
Sabi sa'yo, nung last Sunday, di ba?
Dito tayo, di ba?
Sabi ko, tara, daling to sa Macedon.
Ito yung Macedon.
Ito yun.
Alright.
Pero dalawang side siya.
Okay.
Gisborne side, tsaka Wood End side.
Ito yung north.
Ito yung Wood End side, the north side.
North side.
Easier than Gisborne.
Okay.
I mean, relatively easier. Easier.
Easy ng konti.
Relative lang, relative.
Easy lang ng konti. Pero mahirap pa rin. $3K na. Almost, no, 3.5. Halfway. Halfway na tayo. May mga puno, oh. Taas. Medyo flat. Misty na naman dito sa part na to. Kanina maaraw na eh.
Ito yung 10% na stock.
10%. Next 2Ks, 10%. Haha.
Makapunch it.
Ah. Huh? Flat. Flat. Alright, pahinga. Nice one. Nice one. Flat, flat. Sige lang, sige lang. Sige, sunod kami. Nice one.
Ito, pasok mo yan.
Sige.
Diretso mo na, diretso mo na.
Abutan nyo rin naman ako.
Para ano.
Lakaran,
Face mo.
May coach yan.
Success! Salamat sa Psych Plus. Napabilis. Alright. Go na ulit. 4.7. Buli natin sila lahat.
This is it. Pansit.
Memorial Cross. Saan tayo? Doon? Sa Memorial Cross.
Another 3.
Ay, out pa ulit. Ha?
Oops.
7Ks done. Sa climb tapos akyat doon. So another 2K on the way to Memorial Cross. And kala ko yun na yun. Meron pa pala. Dito yung cross. Alright.
May ano dyan, may after ng descent na sobrang steep, medyo madulas ingat.
Ah, okay. Ganda ng view, puting-puti. Ganda ng view, puting-puti. Malas. Babalikan ko na lang. Pero nakakotse na ako. We're headed back down. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't get to see the cross. It's closed for construction. So we're headed back down now. Alright, let's go. I really need some coffee right now. It's getting colder. Ah, lamig! Lalo lumalamig. So yeah, we're back. We're back at the bottom of the mountain. So we're just gonna stop here, wait for everyone, have some coffee before we head back. Whew. That's a cool looking coffee shop. Kain kayo? Oo, kain din ako. Gutom ako. Kain muna. Almusal. And coffee. Lamig na ako, pre.
Oo nga eh.
Basa na nga pati medyas ko.
Ramdam ko.
Punta nyo lang kami. So next time kami sa may morning.
Pero parang ilang minutes lang.
Yeah, medyo maaraw na. Pero basa pa rin kami. Kaya na, umiinit na. Kung kailan tapos na tayo, doon umaraw. Alright, so done with the breakfast, done with coffee. So we're heading back now to New Gisborne. Just a few kilometers to go. Back to the parking. Alright. So it's mostly downhill from here, so it's gonna be much easier. Just gonna take maybe about 30 minutes going back. Luckily the sun is up. Still cold though, but much better than earlier. Ha? Hawa. And we're back. We're back at the parking lot. Just wait for everyone else. Yeah, see you pagbalik. Mas mahirap yung walang gising. Next one. Next time ulit. And that is it for the ride. So we did about 60 Ks with 900 meters of elevation. The ride was good. It was just wet and cold, so made it more interesting. Yeah, it was a good day out. Good for the legs. Just too bad we didn't get close enough to the cross, but yeah, there's always the next time. So yeah, that's it for the ride. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.